The latest report on the state of the world's children brought out by UNICEF has disturbing statistics for India. The report says India will account for over 17% of global child deaths by 2030 unless there's urgent government intervention. The report already pegs India as one of the worst in the world when it comes to infant mortality rates.
4 क्लास तक मैंने पढ़ाई की है, अब मैं स्कूल नहीं जाता।
पहले मैं स्कूल जाता था, पहली क्लास तक, अभी मैं नहीं जाता।
13-year-old Imran and 7-year-old Sachin both work at this tea stall in Delhi. Their parents passed away 2 years ago, and right next to their workplace, this open drain, a breeding ground for all sorts of diseases. According to a report by the UNICEF, India is one of the 5 countries that account for more than half of the total child deaths of 5.9 million of children under 5 years of age all across the world. Deaths that are caused by diseases which are easily treatable, most of them which happen during childbirth and pregnancy. The report puts India at par with Congo, Ethiopia, Nigeria and Pakistan. It states poor children in India are 3 times more likely to die before the age of 5, and if the current trends continue, India will account for more than 17% of global child deaths by 2030. It recommends an almost 50% increase in India's GDP investment into education.
The RTE now has enshrined compulsory education up to grade 8. We are submitting that it should be with global standard up to grade 10 and 12.
Numbers and statistics that reveal a sad reality for India's children. Difficult to survive till the age of 5 and no education after. In New Delhi with Sheikh Momin and Manoj Kumar, Ishadrat Alahiri, NDTV.